Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. I just scared myself. Saw my face in the monitor. Ah, this is Poppy's brew review. Budwiser. Disclosure. I just shot Poppy's brew review. Foster's. It's Australian for beer, mate. I had dinner. Fish sticks, spuds, cream corn. Nice little monkey dish of mixed fruit and nuts for dessert. I got pneumonia. Been off the antibiotics for 2, 3 days now. Anesthesia. Ain't gonna kill me. Ain't gonna cure me. Ain't gonna kill me. I'll just feel a little less miserable. Like I said, anesthesia. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I opened it because, like I said, anesthesia, baby. Okay, you notice it's like basically flat. If you go to Kansas City for a head, I feel sorry for you, brother. Oh, take that any way you want. Okay, for you people outside of America who aren't familiar with it, Budweiser is old, traditional. Let me pull out a moment. There we go. Yeah, is an old style, traditional, American icon beer. When you say Budweiser, you haven't drunk enough of them yet. When you can go, then you've had enough. Oh. Oh, you got to admit, that's not as bad as if you're going to Kansas City for. Ah, the flavor. It's beer. You can tell they use a lot of rice. Not very hoppy. No maltiness at all. It's Budweiser. What can I say? Uh, over here. This might have come from, what, Anaheim? Where are you? Where are you bottled? Whoa, bottled. Anyway, Anheuser-Busch has bottling plants everywhere in America. I know they got in Kansas City. I think it's Anaheim down in South California. Might be one in NorCal. But then, NorCal's been getting on to non-Budweiser beers for a long time. That relates to next episode. Modelo Especial. But anyway, back to yeah, back to. But as you can see, it does hold its foam for the second glass. Did you expect that? I didn't. Not much burp at all. And what little burp I got tastes like rice. Okay. Oh, burping ain't polite. Yeah, okay, but it's one of the pleasures of a nice cold beer at the end of the day. Any of you guys out there, yeah. Any of you guys out there who work, hard work, not at a desk, I mean in a shop, out in the field, as opposed to a field. You know, a field is probably a farmer or gardener. The field, you could be a telephone repairman, CIA hitman. I'm out in the field, Ma. You really gotta talk to me about the petunias now. That's sort of a steal from that commercial for, oh yeah, a stupid Geico commercial. The spy getting a call from mom about the squirrels. How about bird shot, squirrel pie? Those Geico, they had the perfect, perfect image. The little freaking lizard. I know it's a gecko. This far from lizard. A camel. Senile old lady and her squirrelies. Remember the caveman? Yeah. Isn't it disgusting? The crap they'll film to try and get your money. I'm sorry. That was bad timing. I would have tried to get that. It's like it waited till I turned the camera away to be bashful. Amazing. Let's do it this way. That way I can look in the monitor and pour it all over my pants. But then seriously, how many of you beer drinkers out there haven't had your beer go on your pants at one time or another? And I don't care where it got onto your pants from. You know what I mean. That night when you drank 4.5 cases all by yourself, you forgot to unzip before you went that one? Yeah. I heard my stepdaughter giggling in the background. I don't know if it's me or whatever she does on her tablet. I mean, she got Wi-Fi and an Android tablet, and someone told her how to find the search bar and bang in words. Oh. I've been watching on the TV back there. Some Commander Cody, a guy uploaded 3 days ago. Chapters 1 through 7. 2 hours and 44 minutes. I'm 22 in. Got to pause. It's down in the left lung. The Z-Pack just didn't do it. Prednisone, Sudafed, albuterol. Stayed in bed as much as I could. I refuse to go to emergency before Christmas. Unless I fall down and I got no choice. Nana and Titi say, "Oh, that's it. He's sick." Just a little while ago, before I started recording, Nana was in the kitchen, right over. No, here. Yeah, that way. No, that way. Anyway, she was in the kitchen, and I said, "Remember Commander Cody?" She go, "Huh?" I said, "Well, you know Buck Rogers and Flash Gordon." Nah, you better ask my mom. Oh God. Anyway, this guy Commander Cody, he was in the same era as Flash and Buck. He had our rocket ship and our rocket suit. And I think he's about to steal the atomic gun from the moon. I wish I could do a sort of MST 3000 here and not get copyright strikes. With my luck, Atomic Age Pictures owns this damn thing, and they're going to fight the copyright strikes for, blood. Well, anyway, I'm going to enjoy it. Oh. This is the last of it. Well, gang, now I've had a Foster's and dinner and a Budwiser, and I'm anesthetized enough that I really don't care that I'm so miserable. I'm going to go and watch Commander Cody. Good night.